Well, I got the new chain on my snowblower, but I haven't had to use it yet. See what's going on outside here. Bill's splitting up some bundlewood. This is our beetle kill spruce. Inside the woodshed where there's less wind. She's got her gizmo parked in for the winter.
Hi everyone.
So looks like you've been busy with the bundlewood today also.
I've been selling a lot. That means I gotta split more. Means I gotta work.
So today we've been really busy on this Friday afternoon now.
Yeah, it is.
Windy and cold. It did warm up to about 9 above this afternoon, but this morning it was 6 below and we had quite a wind. We loaded a load of wood last night in the dark and the wind, and 3 loads today already. And then Jill sold
15 bundles.
15 bundles today, so she went out.
I got a Benny.
She got a Benny today. That made her happy, so she's out splitting. Yeah, those green bennies aren't going to stop her no matter what the temperature.
Yeah, but at least over here I'm out of the wind.
So might be a little short video today. We got some footage going up the hill with the tractor, a little bit of light plowing. down this morning. See, this is quite steep. We've climbing about a 200-foot elevation from the WoodYard. Well, we're back on this Friday morning. Winter is back. It is 6 below zero, and we have at least a 10-mile-an-hour wind. And Woodrow is out here. He's not liking it. And we found out through some good sources that Woodrow has put in an application to move south, over in the Carolinas somewhere, to a woodworking yard. Do not hire him. He is lazy. So just putting the word out for that. And looks like you're not processing today.
No, I am actually going to be stacking the rest of my cord that I cut yesterday. Get this stacked now.
Well, we got a couple orders going out today, so I'm going to give her a hand. We have the wood she cut the other day. She did get some of that stacked. You've been out here for an hour yesterday, maybe? It was pretty cold, so the wind came back, so it kind of put a damper on her operations. So she's getting it stacked up. And today, all we have left is third cord piles that are dry. And we have 2 customers coming for half cord loads. So what we're going to do is we're going to split one of these piles so we can have 2 half cord rows. And we'll get that done. And if Jill can stand it with her heated socks on, she's going to try to pile some more greenwood today. So the sun's out, kind of a little bit overcast. As you can see, it's windy. So we're going to get stacking here, and before we go back in, we'll get a quick picture of what we got going on, and we'll be back with you. Looks like we're going to spend the afternoon in the woodworking shop. Well, we got it piled up. A little over cord. Joe was right, because the pile in behind was quite a bit lower than this one, so there was over cord. I'll take you over here. The wind is really blowing hard, so it's we got our half cord separated out for our customer tomorrow morning. Joe's gonna do a little quick cleanup, and we're gonna go and have a hot cup of coffee because it is cold. It's I don't know if you can see the snow blowing or not, but probably a 12 to 15 mile an hour wind, and it's dropped back down to 9 below. So
it was 18 below. It was 18 below last night, but there's no wind. And I guarantee you, it was warmer last night at 18 below than it is at 6 below with the wind.
So we're going to go work in the shop this afternoon. Is that your plan?
That's the plan.
And then tomorrow morning we have a customer coming for a bag third of a cord bag. We have a customer coming for a half a cord of cut split. And we have a customer coming tonight for a half cord. So tomorrow we'll see if we can get the camera out and get some action for you, loading up some wood. But for now, we're headed inside and we'll talk to you guys soon.
Well, it looks like I have to go and split some beetle kill spruce because this is my wood stand. I was going to get on the processor today, but this is a little bit more important. So we will walk around here and see how much wood we don't have. This is our 14-inch. We might have a cord of 14-inch wood, maybe. I did manage to get a 20-inch wood, this is 2 cord of wood piled, so we can start drying for our customer. This is our 16-inch. We might have 2 cord here of dry birch. So we are getting really, really low on birch, dry birch.
You can see now our snow is kind of pretty much blown away. We don't have much. You can see it blowing off the shop roof up there. It's still pretty windy. And they're calling for more snow, so.
I think we're still under a winter
advisory. They're calling for 12 inches. We probably won't get it here. But all around us, last week up in Glen Allen, Gokona, we had a customer come today. It was minus 50 below. Anchorage had 24 inches of snow. And probably, I think on the national news, it made Juneau, down our capital, down in the southeast. They normally get a lot of rain. They got 80 inches of snow in one day.
Yeah.
A lot of snow. They're looking for people to shovel snow. A lot of boats sinking, and it's wet, heavy snow, so the roof's collapsing. It's a mess down there. And of course, there's no roads into Juneau, so it's really been a struggle for those people down there. So,
because the only way you can get there is either by plane or by boat.
Well, as I said, there's no road there, so yeah, they're struggling down there, that's for sure. So, and then on our processor, we have no prices from Cord King yet. And we had a lot of comments about different processors, what we could get. You got to remember, Jill's 71 and I'm 65. We're not looking to invest $200,000 to improve our wood business. We're doing this for retirement. We cut 300 cord a year just for fun, something to do, play around a little bit. And we're just getting the next size bigger bar saw and with a cab.
And what did I do on my bundle wood? 1,600 bundles last year?
1,700 bundles.
1,700 bundles, which comes to what? 5 cord?
No, it was about 10, 11 cord.
There you go.
There's about 90 to 95 bundles per cord she gets, so 1,700. So just take that and divide it by, that's what you'll get. It's over 10 cord.
17 cord.
Yeah.
There you go.
Nearly two semi-loads. So, and the old box store's still going.
It still works.
Yeah, it's wore right out, but it's still going. We're going to try to get down to the show in Tennessee here this spring and look at splitters. We want to actually get hands on. Pete brought his 511 Eastman made up. That's a brute of a splitter, but we don't need anything that big for bundle wood. We just do bundle wood every year because we have the processor. We do very little resplit, so we don't need a monster splitter. We just need something that's kind of fast and light. So
well, and something that I can manage.
Yeah, you can.
I don't want to have to stand on a board.
Right.
Every time I want to use a splitter.
So I'm gonna wrap it up here pretty quick because I'm out in my sweatshirt and it's still 9 above and a 25-mile-an-hour wind, so it's cold.
I have my favorite boots on today. There you go. My Crocs. I love my Crocs.
Alaskan tough.
And you he's talking about a t-shirt. Oh, please.
I got my sweatshirt on. Well, I got my slippers on too. So we'll keep you informed on the processor. Like I said, we have not got any prices back yet. We have had a couple offers on some used ones out of Canada, which we're going to look into. But we'll keep you updated as that comes along. And if you have any idea what you think this processor would cost, put it in the comments. To give you an idea, our little one we have now is $52,000 2 years ago. And we could have had some more options than what we've got, so the prices can go up from there. And I know right now for a fact, just to add the diesel's $12,000 more. So, and then this is going to have a cab, which is around $5,000 to $6,000 more. Another axle, a bigger feed deck. I expect it to be well over $100,000. I have no idea, but if you have a guess, you want to guess, put it in the comments. So
we do want to thank all of our new subscribers, and if you like the content, you know, and feel like subscribing, we would appreciate that.
Yep, so channel is slowly growing. We appreciate all the comments and try to get back to everybody as soon as we can. And so from the Alaska Woodyard, we keep the sawdust flying.
And thanks for coming along.